Hello friends, welcome to a brand new video. In today's video, we are going to learn about a powerful software called MetaTrader News Filter. In the market, because of high-impact news, we often see heavy losses, especially when we are doing auto trading. We usually know when the news is coming, but stopping the EA manually every time is not practical. That is why we need a smart solution that can automatically stop the EA before the news comes. And this is exactly where MetaTrader News Filter helps us. Before starting the installation, there is one important setting. First, go to your computer settings. Then, click on Time and Language. After that, open Date and Time. Now click on the Sync option. Once the sync is completed, close the settings. This step is important to make sure the news timing is completely accurate. Now when you download the software from our website, you will receive a zip file. Extract this zip file. After extracting, you will find an installer inside. Double-click on the installer. Tick Create Desktop Shortcut. Click Next and then click Install. The installation will start and will be completed within a few seconds. After installation is complete, untick the checkbox and click Finish. Now your software is installed. You may delete the installer file if you want. To open the software, right-click on the icon and select Run as Administrator. This is important because some features do not work properly without admin rights. As soon as the software starts, a command line window will open. Do not close this window. At the same time, your default browser will open and the news filter will start running locally. Now you need to enter your product key. If you do not have a product key, you can purchase it from our website store page. Paste the product key and click Activate. Once activated, you will reach the main dashboard where you can see license validity, status, and other options. Next, you will see the Economy Events option. Here, you can see all upcoming news based on your selected time. After that, you will see the Time Zone option. Here, you can select your preferred time zone so that all news data is shown according to that time zone. For example, if you want news data according to UTC time zone, select UTC and click Submit. After that, all news will be displayed in UTC time. Next comes the MQL Files option. Here, you can download files for MT4 and MT5. After downloading, go to the download folder and extract the files. After extraction, you will get two files. Copy both files and paste them on your desktop. These are source files, so they must be compiled before use. Double-click on the file. It will open in MetaEditor. Now click on the Compile button. The file will compile successfully. Close MetaEditor. You will now see a new compiled file. Repeat the same steps for the MT4 file as well. Now, let us see how to use these files in MT5. Open MT5. Copy the compiled file from the desktop. In MT5, click File, then Open Data folder. Open the MQL5 folder. Open the Experts folder. Paste the compiled file there. Close the folder window. Go to the Navigator section in MT5. Right-click on Expert Advisors and click Refresh. After refreshing, the file will appear in the list. Unsurprisingly, if you attach the file to the chart now, it will not attach yet. This is because the DLL link is not added. To add the DLL link, open the same browser where the news filter is running locally. Copy the DLL link from there. Now, go back to MT5. Click Tools, open the last option. Go to the Expert Advisors tab. Tick both checkboxes, paste the DLL link in the box. Click OK. Now, attach the file to the chart again. It will attach properly. In the Properties, tick Allow DLL. Enable Algo Trading. Click OK. If the EA looks gray, do not worry. This only means Algo Trading is off. As soon as you turn Algo Trading on, the software will successfully connect with MT5.
You can connect it with MT4 in the same way.
Now let us talk about the software features. Once the software is connected with MT4 and MT5, you will see multiple options when the EA is attached to the chart. I will explain how to use these options and what each option does. The first option is Mobile Notifications. Here you can turn notifications on or off. The second option is News Filter Slippage. Here you can decide how much maximum slippage you want to allow during news time. The third option is Filter by Country Codes. To understand this, we go to the Economy Events dashboard. Here you can see news titles, countries, dates, exact time and impact levels. This helps you understand which news is related to which country or currency. There are 4 types of news impact: low, medium, high, and others. Others include bank holidays and special events. Low impact means very small market movement. Medium impact means moderate movement. High impact means strong upward or downward movement. That is why you should customize your EA and risk management according to impact. You can attach the news filter to any chart. The software will react based on the country codes you select. For example, if you select USD and JPY and news comes from the US or Japan, related trades will be closed or stopped based on your settings. Country codes can be written in capital or small letters. It does not matter. Next comes Impact-Based Action. Here you can decide whether to turn EA or algo trading off during impact. You can close all trades immediately or wait for trades to close based on the EA's exit strategy. You can also decide how many minutes before news trading stops and how many minutes after news trading starts again. All these options are available for every impact type and are fully customizable. After completing all settings, click OK and the news filter becomes active. Now comes an important option called Change PC. This option is used when you want to run the software on a different computer. The product key is unique and works on only one PC at a time. If you change your computer, you can reset the product key here and use the software on a new system. If you do not use the Change PC option, the product key will show invalid on another system. That is all for this video. If you still have any questions or doubts, you can ask them in the comment section. For more information, you can visit our website. Thanks for watching.